Viewers and subscribers, just a quick news item here. So we heard recently that the Jamaican authorities, more specifically the Ministry of Health and Wellness, has received a field hospital from the American authorities. What do you think about this gift? Do you think it's a Trojan horse, or do you think it's a genuine gift? Let me know in the comment section below. Now let's listen to Dr. Tufton, Minister of Health and Wellness of Jamaica, speak about the partnership and the gift.
Unveiled a very important addition to the public health infrastructure as part of the COVID-19 response. It's an important collaboration with the United States government and the government and people of Jamaica. And it involves, of course, the unveiling of a field hospital right here at the National Chest Hospital in Kingston. Facility is now set up, equipped with beds, 40 in the first instance, with additional equipment to ensure the proper functioning, to take care of patients that have COVID and require certain types of care. We already have 350 such beds across the traditional hospital system, but in this time of community transmission, when the likelihood of more persons requiring beds, it is important that we add additional capacity. We're using up now about a third or so of our bed capacity. This facility will add significantly more capacity. The facility comes equipped with equipment, but also importantly, training for local personnel to manage it, including the training in infection prevention and control for a facility such as this, which is very important given the highly contagious nature of the virus. So I want to use the opportunity to thank the collaboration between Jamaica and the US government, the US Army, and to say that this is important as we seek to deal with the global pandemic, which is affecting all countries of the world. Partnerships are very important, and we shouldn't devalue these partnerships, because the truth is, none of us alone can solve the problem of COVID. All of us have a role to play, individually, collectively as countries of the world, and what you're seeing today is an indication of that partnership, which I think will be better for all concerned. Thank you.
Viewers and subscribers, over to you. Share your thoughts in the comment section below.